Hi, this is Wiz. Welcome to my channel. I've got several requests from my YouTube subscribers to show you the MMI Connect app from Audi. Today's video is about that. I'm gonna review the app on both iPhone and on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. So this is the MMI Connect app. Today I'm gonna show you the one for iOS. I believe that the Android one should be pretty much the same. So first of all, what I'm gonna show you today is in French. Unfortunately, there is no way to change the language. I think it is region-based, so it depends on which region you are. You're gonna get the app in your local language or in English. So in my specific case, being in the French-speaking part of Switzerland, I get the app in French. I'm gonna try to translate as much as I can. First of all, we can see that we have 4 tabs, so we can navigate through those different tabs. The first tab is about the vehicle. The second tab is about navigation. The third tab is about media. And the fourth one is about settings. You have 2 ways of navigate through the tabs. I had a brilliant idea to post on my 3 Instagram account right before doing this video, so I'm getting a lot of notification. I'm really sorry about it. I was saying you have 2 ways to navigate through the different tabs. First one is just a swipe, left or right. And the second one is by going here, and then you have a total access of all the different tabs. Let's review each tab one by one. The first one, it is to lock or unlock the car. It requires a PIN code that you have to set up. What the app is doing now is unlocking the car. It takes a little moment. So I would say it's not the fastest way to lock or unlock the car. And to be honest, I don't really see the benefit of this function beside the one to impress your friends, but depends on the Wi-Fi connection or the signal connection. It can take quite a lot of time. So now my car is unlocked. I better lock it. Each time you wanna lock or unlock the car is gonna require you to enter the 4-digit PIN that you would have created. If we go to the second one, it is all about the status of your car. It's gonna show you that the doors are now closed, windows are now closed, lights are shut down, and it's telling you if the bonnet is open or closed. And then the autonomy of my car, pretty much low at the moment, only 12% of the fuel tank left. And my total kilometers is 8,897. Going back to the next one. Doug, why you come here and screw up my video? You see, I'm doing a video about the Audi MMI app. Okay? You don't care, obviously. Okay, stay with me. So Dog is gonna stay with me. Let's try to do it. This one is telling you when is the next time you're gonna have to change the oil or go to the dealership for the revision. Not sure you say that in English. And then you can see the status of the engine oil, which is actually pretty low in my car. Okay, let's go back and check the final 2 windows on my vehicle tab. So this is everything that is alarm message or any message that would come from your car. In this specific case, there is nothing. And last one is an easy one. I don't have any alarm options in my car, so it's not gonna show anything, and it's saying that no alarm is available for my car. This is it for the vehicle tab, let's move to the second one, which is the navigation one. First, here you can see the where your car is actually parked. So this is interesting if you don't remember where you left your car, and you have a function here to navigate to your car. So if you go here, it's gonna ask you if you wanna launch plans from Apple. We're gonna say no. Next information is everything related to traffic informations. And then next one is about the My Audi destinations. You can research destination, you can enter a contact destination or a calendar destination. And then you got travel, which you can select places around you, places of interest, destinations. I never really used it. And last one, you can give apps access to the app to your calendar. So this is about navigation tab, and then the media tab, you have the web radio, which I don't use. You have your media music, so you can connect to your iTunes library through the MMI, which is now pretty much useless. Having Apple CarPlay in my car, I don't need to connect through Wi-Fi. Then you can have access to Amazon Music and Napster. Those last two may vary, depends on which country you are. And finally, you get the settings of your car. And here you can disconnect from the MMI. And you have here the option to automatically connect to the MMI. Moving on, here you see the status about your connection to the MMI. Connection is activated. The Wi-Fi of my phone is activated. But at the moment, the app is not connected with my car because the car is too distant from the phone. And then here you have some settings. There aren't a lot of settings, so you can here have information about when your car was locked or unlocked. About the web radio, you can activate the traffic announce probably. And unit of measure, you can select kilometers or miles. Automatism, actually you do only have one choice, is detect the vehicle. Confidentiality, so you can allow or not the localization of your car. Last mile, it means that whenever you quit the car, you leave the car, you get a notification telling you where you left the car, and you can activate the navigation. And then, maybe the most important one, here you can decide which action you want to give to the 3D touch on the central screen of the phone. So you can select only 4. You have a lot of choices, but only 4 at the same time can be selected, which means that when you 3D press on the application, you can choose which quick actions you want to have displayed. And then the last window on the settings is everything legal informations. The application is pretty much basic. There are not a lot of things that you can do. There are some updates from time to time, but I didn't really see a major update. Now let's move to what is possible to see on the Apple Watch. Here you have the MMI. You have 4 tabs. First tab is about the status of your vehicle. You can see the autonomy, and you can see how many kilometers I have on my car. Moving on, you have the status about whether your car is locked or unlocked. On the Apple Watch, you cannot lock or unlock your car. You can only do that with the phone, but it isn't possible to do it with the watch, which is a little bit of a shame, I must say. And then here you have your position of your car. And then the last one is the My Audi destination. I never used that feature. So on the Apple Watch, you can do even less than what can be done on the app on the iPhone. It's pretty much interesting, but honestly speaking, I almost never use the MMI app on my iPhone. I don't need it. I don't have any need to lock or unlock the car remotely. And there are not so many things you can do with this app. There you go. That was a quick look at the MMI Connect app for Audi on the iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.